I do beadwork. I make table mats, home trays, toothbrush holders, serviette boxes. I use a certain kind of thread ya kushona bags. Also make leg warmers, bikinis, bras and tops. The challenges I face, lack of capital. You want to make so many things, but you don't have the capital. The little money you get, you buy the material, you make those things, they become dead stock because there's no market. What I would want women in manufacturing to give me is capital and market. What I make can fetch a lot of money if I know how to package it. That is something that I've learned na nimeona hiyo itanisaidia, because I'll go out of my way, I have my company registered, and then I repackage my goods.